Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a smartwatch that I'm going to be unboxing. I already have a black one, so I have no idea what color this one is, so we're just going to unbox it. And this video is going to be short. I won't be charging it in this video, so it's not going to be charged. There it is. Let's rip it out of here. Let's take this plastic off. And it's like, oh, there we go. Got this set going on here. Oh, it's like a peach color. Take the tab off, peel it off, and then see. Like if you press it, you need to charge it. Oh, you can see me. Yeah. You have to charge it. So I'm gonna be charging it, not in this video because